COVID-19 is still around and it's still as savage as it was since day one. But the numbers are going down now, which is a good thing. But anyways, I ordered this mask from China and it's finally here. And according to the description, this is supposed to be a KN95 mask. And as you could see, it comes in this little Ziploc bag. And this looks like this is the mask here. And to be honest with you, this is this is not what I expected. The fabric looks very weak, and I don't see this fabric stopping any particles from coming in. And that's the whole point of N95 or KN95 mask, is that it needs to limit how many particles it lets in. And I don't think this will do the job, but at least they put this thing on here where it'll be able to cover your nose. And also it looks like it has a strap here, Velcro strap. And yeah, I mean, this is not what I expected, but it'll have to do it, I guess. I ordered it. It didn't cost me that much money. And it also comes with these filters. So I'm assuming that this is the filter that is supposed to hold particles from coming in. And let's go ahead and take this out and see how it looks and how it feels. And this came with 20 of these so-called filters. And as you can see, that it looks like it's made out of cheap. I don't know how this will filter anything, because it looks like weak, and I don't see it holding or stopping any particles from coming in. And the same with the mask itself. And they were saying that this is supposed to be this is supposed to provide a 5 layers of protection, and it's supposed to be fashionable. And yeah, I mean, it comes with this here. As you can see, this plastic thing that is supposed to, I guess this is where the filter is supposed to be in. And it looks like it's a little plastic thing that's in there. And this is the bottom piece here. Yeah, so I don't know. This valve, I guess, supposed to. I guess that's where the air is supposed to come through. So I'm assuming that this is where you'll put the filter here, like this. But like I said, I don't really see this, being a N95 or KN95 mask. So this might be one of those, made in China. One of those fake products that are made in China, and they're just advertising it to us in America, hoping that we purchase them. So, anyways, I looked up the difference between KN95 and 95 N95 mask, and they're supposed to be similar. And I'm assuming that KN95 rating is used in China, and N95 is used in America here. And they're supposed to be doing the same thing. And I want to see if there is a way I could modify this mask to actually make it into something that will actually work, something that I could actually use. And like I said, I ordered this back in beginning of May, and it just came a couple days ago. So if I could find a way to filter all the particles from coming in, and only allow them to come in from those 2 valves are included in the mask, and I think that will be that will make this mask definitely better. Hey guys, don't forget to like this video, to comment, and to subscribe. Thank you. So here's another shot of the mask, and I put in the filter, and this is how it looks. So this is how the outside of the mask looks. And I mean, it doesn't look that bad, honestly, but you could also see that the fabric that they use is very thin, and is very light. So I'm not sure how they expect this to stop anything, right? And And let's take a look at the filter once it's in place. And this is how it looks. And the filter is also thin, like I said. You know, I don't know how this is supposed to stop anything. So anyways, here's a little valve thing here, and they have a little filter in there, I guess, something that's supposed to stop air for, particles from coming in through. And you can open it like this, as I showed you before. And it comes with two pieces, as you see. Now I need to figure out a way to really stop particles from coming in. And the best thing I could come up with, I tried different ways, but I think this is the best way. And it's to use a tape, a regular tape, as you see. And what I will do is I will see if I could either cover the mask or the filter itself. I think it'll be too much if I tape up the whole mask itself, but at the same time I want to make sure that it doesn't look that ugly, right? I want to keep that, I want to keep it looking good, and at the same time I want to, and only let air coming through the valve on the mask. So I think that I'm gonna go ahead and tape up the filter itself and not the mask. And here's the final product. As you see, this is the filter. I ended up taping up the whole filter, and it doesn't look that bad. And I made sure that I cut up the tape where the valve is supposed to go, and as you see the inside here, I used duct tape to hold the tape on the filter itself. And it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it feels it feels good. It doesn't feel that light, and it doesn't let in through a lot of air. A lot of air doesn't go through it. Actually, no air escapes it, except where the valve is supposed to go. And my plan is to put another filter, and the second filter will touch my face, and the filter that I taped up will be the one that will go against the mask itself. And here I will go ahead and put the valve back in. And you've seen the first shot. I mean, the mask works good. And my opinion is that this mask just became, really good with this simple modifications that I made to it. Hey guys, don't forget to like this video, to comment, and to subscribe.